Hello guys, welcome back to my next video. Happy to see you here and I have a very happy news for you guys. Fresher hiring trends in India going to get increased to 20 to 25% in 2025. This is the recent report released. And in this video, I'm going to tell you, according to the report, which skill you have to learn and which skill will give you more money. And the last one is what students have to follow to get high paying job. So let's get started. Firstly, from 2022 to 2024, the hiring trend was very bad. More than 8 lakh students are still jobless in last 3 years. But in 2025, the hiring trend is going to change. Recession actually got over. Now, according to the team Leads Digital, the hiring trend in India is going to increase from 20 to 25% in 2025. That too within next 2 months. That's why I already posted a video to prepare for placements in 90 days. If you didn't see that, then do check that as well. Now, this means more opportunity for students who are looking and entering into the workforce in IT industry. Now, why this is turning into positive? We need to understand what's the reason of changing the hiring trend. The basic reason is technology and IT firms. They want more people who are more skilled in latest trending technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, and cyber security. So here is a simple catch. If you are already placed and still you are watching this video without upskilling yourself, company is going to kick you out because they are looking for new people who have these skills. So watch this video properly and try to learn it. So why I am saying this in the sense, if companies are looking for a new trends, then they will be kicking out the old techniques which can be automated by AI and other skills. Now coming to what are the skills you have to learn. First, let's start with data science. Why data science is more important? Because companies are expecting people who have skills in machine learning. That's why people who learn data science and other data related fields are getting more opportunities, will be getting more opportunities. The second one is obviously AI. AI is everything now and future. If you think that AI is going to be the future, I can learn it next 2 or 3 years, then you are wrong, my friend, because AI is already being implemented in lot of things. Recently, Elon Musk have launched a lot of new AI technologies like robots, cars, and other things as well. People who have skills at NLP, natural processing language, are getting more traction by IT companies. So start learning AI. The third one is cloud computing. Rapid increase in cloud architecture and cloud solutions created more job opportunities for people who have the skills in AWS and Microsoft Azure. And these skills also I have posted and I have talked about in a lot of my Instagram videos as well. And the last one is cybersecurity. As you guys know, right now startup culture is getting increased more and so many people are starting business. So in order to protect the data of a particular companies and startups, so many cybersecurity people are getting hired. So now the question is how to learn all of these technologies. Don't worry, I have given free resources in my caption to learn this and get certified with free resources and obviously free certification also. And if you want any paid certification, do comment, I will send you that as well. Now this will be your favorite part because I'm going to talk about salaries. Now the question is, will salaries be impacted just because of these hiring trends? Yes, it will be impacted, but in upper trend. Freshers who are getting jobs in these 4 fields will get 2 to 3 times more than other people who are working in other IT backgrounds. For example, if you learn any of these skills and if you are getting job in any of these domains, you will be getting 15 to 20 LPA and your friend will be obviously jealous because he'll be in another IT background. Now this part is focus on developing skills. You need to focus on developing skills in any of the fields which I mentioned, like 4 fields I mentioned. Start excelling in any of the fields. Consider getting certifications or purchasing certifications from top-notch companies, which actually creates weight to your resume. Don't think like you are spending money to get certificate. Actually, you are investing for your future. Participate in hackathons and coding competitions, create network, show your potential, create your digital footprints by collecting all of these memories and uploading it in your LinkedIn. Major IT companies like TCS, HCL HCL Tech, Accenture are targeting these 4 skills. So make sure you are doing that. Whereas TCS and Accenture are planning to double their intake in next 2025. If you want to position yourself in a successful career, just start learning. You can start for free. You have n number of resources in internet and in YouTube. If you want, just comment. I will glad to help you. And you can see the last YouTube videos also. I have replied to people who wanted resources and other help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates about your career and more useful videos like this. And do share this with your friends, because that will be really helpful for me to create more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then,